Here we are with the Aiwa boombox section of the Aiwa Mega CD. So here is the board, and here are the capacitors. Being an audio device, it has a lot of electrolytic radials. Joy! Up here we have the replacement capacitors, and I don't know if I have a map of this one, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to remove a capacitor, install the new capacitor, move on, and so forth, using the Hako 808. Hako, Reggie Didge, mate. So it's got a pump in the back that sucks the solder through. Oh, that's toasty. 120 volt though, so I've got to use my step down transformer. Over here, and you can probably hear in the background, I've got some SST band going on. It's that sort of day. So let's get to it in high speed. Well, we're about, we've done 470 UFs and the two 3300s. As you can see, they're coming along quite nicely. So most of the caps on board appear to have been Panasonic of some sort, and we're replacing them with Rubicons and Panasonics. Rated as long as they can last. With low ESR, of course, as well. A lot of them have glue on them though, which is making it a little bit difficult to pull them out. There's one over here, I'll see if I can... Had glue! Right there. But we're looking pretty good, so now I'm just going to do the little ones, which are mostly like 0.47 microfarads and rubbish like that. And we'll also be replacing the 7806 in this one to make it like new. I think this is the unit with no voltage out of that transistor voltage regulator, so we'll have a look, see what happens. Hopefully we'll have some good news. Well, that's the good thing about getting up close to these, is that you discover things. This board has a hairline fracture through it, through C70. See if we can get a close-up of that. So there's C70. There's the crack running through it. And does seem to be on the other side as well, which indicates that those traces may not be doing what they should be. Those tracks. So I'll have to investigate with the multimeter. And this is the perfect example of why we replace capacitors. Look at that gunk in there. You see that gunk? Not very good looking, but thankfully, because it is radial, it just gets stuck on the legs and doesn't go as far as the board. Okay, it did in this case, but that's going to be easy to clean off. So as I've been doing, a dollop of isopropyl or something. Got it clean and we're good. And that's how you do it. And you probably couldn't see any of that because it's completely out of focus. I need a cameraman. Anyone want to be the cameraman? Camera person, I should say. Damn political correctness. So that was C703. Capacitor was a Panasonic 220 microfarad. Let's make sure it's dried up. Pop the new capacitor in. And we're good to move on to the next 20. Well, we're mostly done with the capacitors, so next step is soldering them and trimming the legs. So we'll be back in a moment. And we're done, I think. Might straighten up some of the caps, but just a quick look at the back of that. Can't even tell which mines are one, which ones are mine, which is good. It means that Aiwa was sloppy and cheap with their soldering. So got all new caps on there. Quite a few. Should give it a go, see how it goes. Also soldered in the new 7806. Forgot what its name was there for a second. So let's get it hooked into power, see what happens. Actually, that'll be coming up in the next video. I'm not going to do that tonight. Thanks for watching.